workers.
Pomu is working on site.
Oh. Okay, I will go with Ashe then. Can we ask Ashe for a player first?
Guys, let's ask Michi for our opening player. Michi, would you go to the mic, please?
Hello, game na ba?
Ayun.
Tagal ah. Charot.
Can you lead the prayer, please? Guys, enter!
Bloom, could you transfer the PT lead to Yuna?
Enter.
Enter. Good luck.
Same opening.
Guys, same strat. Our Thai party will take care of the nearest 2 Drax spawns. Who did I assign to the lower right last time? Rima's party, Mortis party will handle the lower right. And then on the top left will be Forget's party. And then once you're done with your Dracula spawns, go join us here in the horn.
Guys, if I'm gonna add to that, if we encounter strong resistance in the middle, people in the middle should change
Extend.
to delaying tactics. So Oblivions, avoid engaging but still protecting the horn while we wait for the Drac Killers to come. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Defensive maneuver yard. And no TP nearby.
Yes. No TP nearby. Just, keep it to yourselves.
Water SF and Obli ha. Don't forget Water SF, Obli.
Guys, this is not like last Loki ha. We actually have people to fight tonight. So don't be complacent. This is not a dead guild. Guys, those who are not in the sub 1 raid, do not go to Ruinscape. There are people assigned in Ruinscape.
Hi channel.
Who's leading the Ruinscape raid right now? Can anyone check?
Yeah. We get
Secretary James. Give space to damage dealers, guys.
We can put Gab in Phalanx. Waste of power. We need
Ah.
the sub one.
40 seconds. For quality and training purposes. Hey, channel! Mort, isang shoutout naman kay Nikki Mort.
JP! Go enter na.
Let's go! Ah!
Me top left?
Yes, top left, forget.
Not topless.
Not topless, not no.
Okay, okay.
We don't want that in
Little
in our
people,
heads.
remember to block the ladders. The 3 o'clock at 12 o'clock ladders.
Coming one more.
AOE, try
Make
to
me battle.
summit on the
Okay.
ladder.
Hello battle.
Damage. Anybody have? Yeah. They're on callback lang. Callback lang.
Sorry, I cannot get the last one.
Many on callback lang. Okay, here.
Already died. 12 o'clock.
Let's go top. Where you going? 11 o'clock. Yay. I'm minus 75. Maybe he has Angeline.
Oh, Sop has the horn. Yun na. Bodyguard duty.
We're on horn duty. Horn is dying. Need band.
Bloom. That's you, Bloom. Helio. Helio, why are you betraying us? Stop killing me, Helios.
Element 15 seconds.
Q Elliot.
Elementals.
Yeah, coming.
We are horn duty. Stop dying. Minus 75. No, I don't like it.
Coming elemental.
Sop, don't wander off too far from Bloom so that Bloom can constantly ban. Bloom, prio blend for Sop so we can counteract the backlash.
Oh, you're waiting in the altar.
Sop almost going to die.
Teleport? Oh,
We're here.
sorry, didn't agree.
We got the elemental too.
Tara, horn. Tulungan natin heal, horn. Help the horn.
Yeah, Sanctuary on the horn and then band and then healing staff.
Is Horn on trouble?
Not right now, but there are chasers.
Low HP.
Very low HP. Sop, wait for Bloom, Sop. Wait. And there are enemies there. Wait. Let them clear it first.
Clear.
Okay, clear. I cannot possess Sop right now.
Huh? I cannot see anything. Oh, sorry.
So going on 10 o'clock, prepare the red carpet, guys. Go along the path of the horn. Yeah, they're not in whistle.
$20 seconds for fire and earth.
Okay.
Yeah, already here.
Healing is
Balik.
working almost half HP from 1
Back to elementals. Back to
Already on
elementals.
elemental now. Boarding elemental now.
Oo.
Taking fire.
Yeah. Check your position, guys. If you're near Dracula,
Ito. Nilinis ko
Stop.
na.
Outer altars of after this. We are too near the center for Earth spawn.
I got the fire.
Tara, Hill, tulungan natin yung sa taas. Sa Earth, oh.
Sof is actually gaining health right now. Nice.
yeah. Top also spamming Sanctuary and Bloom.
Nice.
So Sank is effective also. Okay, nice.
Yeah, top side.
Taking Dracula.
Noted.
Dracula.
Dracula. Ayan. Minus 15 Dracula. And poison.
Yun na, asan ka? Kita. Oh, huli. Okay. I have Valenci here naman.
Okay, it's done.
No one's facing the horn anymore. Why? I'm already bored. And the horn full hell. Thank you guys.
Tara, help horn. Assist horn. And then back to mid.
So check for cooldown of TP and Guild Rally. Fenrir is almost up 100 seconds. Maybe better for you to join us there so that we can protect you. And then once we're done, you tele and then Guild Rally everybody. Copy.
I'm already at Fenrir position.
Of course they're gonna be there. It's just one thing.
Come on, yun na. Ay, ano yun na. So, let's go to Fenrir. Stop, wrong turn. Okay. Pwede na, mag-tele rin naman siya after. 1 minute.
It's clear, Fenrir clear.
Oh, nice mechanics practice, guys. Keep it up. They're here. They're not here anymore.
So, still
Position.
Don't worry.
Position in Finland.
DPS position, guys, just around the circle. Don't interfere with the killing of Fenrir if there are enemies around.
Fenrir.
Fenrir spawn, be ready.
Fenrir ready. So, you can also cast Magnus.
Yeah, true. and cast shield.
And then immediately after Fenrir, so teleport and then rally. Again, teleport first before rally.
Don't do it in the live casting.
Oh, behind, behind. Oh, nag-obli sila.
3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay, clear.
Okay, so tele. Tele, so. And then, okay. Diba?
Panda, are you gonna follow?
Di, stay.
No? Okay.
At least,
Stay.
ano,
Stay lang, elementals. Malapit na elementals.
okay, copy.
I'll stay.
I go to the 11.
So, go south.
Tara, elementals.
Fuel. Drop on 8 o'clock rotation. And
So, go back up north. 40 seconds till it opens up again. Going to the upper right is too far. Oh, they're here. They're not moving. Go Valenci.
Uy, matay. Reso.
Okay, Valenci, clear that spawn area. Val, we're too far from the horn now,
Fire,
Valenci.
fire.
Let's go.
Fire.
a murderer.
Coming to fire.
Just 8 minutes, guys. 8 minutes. And we are on the top 8, right? Top 8.
Top 8. Top 8.
Top 8.
Then let's work hard for Crimson on Saturday.
Yes. We're gonna prepare hard for Crimson on Saturday, guys.
Pa?
I think I just prepare for magic damage and ignore the Dora. Because the Dora is magical. And hope he doesn't have too much ignore and guess.
No, I don't think it's gonna be Tagilid. I think it's gonna be Crimson.
Crimson, that's gonna be Crimson.
Help, horn.
Or you say
Horn is Kenchana. Horn is Daijobu.
Daijobu in the UCO.
Bokchoy. Bokchoy so bigla.
Advance call, 8 o'clock. Oh, sorry. There's sometimes they wait up in the altar. Like we do.
That's why I'm here also. What are you guys talking about Asian Petra? They're not respawning anymore. I just
Still,
went
still.
past the players that Valencia killed. They're still there. Lying on the floor.
I'm following you
Dracula, Dracula.
because I want to go chat game. Horny.
It's okay, Frost, because it's cooldown already. Before it's gonna be disabled. Go to the right. So
Fenrir, Fenrir.
Yeah, already stay at Fenrir. Taking Fenrir.
Yeah, you command me.
let's go to Fenrir.
50% Fenrir.
Ah. That's good. I'm following you.
You can tele if you want.
I will heal everybody who you find.
Those who are doing water, don't come with us.
Let's go, Elemental.
This mana fix from the water.
I can neko possess so. The fuck?
Really? Oh, that's good.
I wonder if the effect will work because Narco Possess with Sigil has similar effect to Immortal Body.
Oh.
Ay, is that Immortal Body? The one that when you reach a certain HP percent, you get back to 90.
What? What things?
Isn't that Deadlock Aurora?
Ayun, Deadlock Aurora, sorry. Deadlock.
No, I don't have. Why? Do you want to taste my ball?
Why are we talking about Forget's Balls?
I don't know, Tix. He asked me. He asked me about my balls. Holy shit. You like my balls?
Can we not? Can we not talk about your balls?
Holy shit.
2 minutes up. 2 minutes. It's okay.
Maybe the other one.
You and
Smaller
do
than the other one. Is that really?
Yeah, taking Fenrir.
I thought they have a lot of warlock.
Do you wanna
Ash.
do you wanna give them? Oh yeah. Don't jinx it.
Who? Who is Kobeni?
The Benny is Emo's old account. Emo is now the new Ben.
Ah, okay.
Sop, rally them all. Rally them all, Sop.
No, nobody accepting the rally call.
Divine Teleport, yun. picture. Ready screenshot.
This panda still looking for enemy.
I'm an auto.
Don't want picture.
Oh, sorry, I'm on auto.
GG.